Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, I am bringing you another unbagging. Yes, another one, you guys. This is my September Yes Oh Yes unbagging, so I'll be showing you products in my September Yes Oh Yes bag. And I know it's October already, but I was having some camera problems and I just now got to film this unbagging. I really love how this eyes turned out, so I couldn't pass it on and just wait for the next one. So hopefully you guys are not tired of my unbagging just yet. So this is what I'm gonna be showing you guys today and some other things in our bag, so I hope you guys are gonna stay and watch. If you guys are not familiar with Yes Oh Yes, I know that there's not a lot of video about it. It is another subscription company. You pay $14 a month plus shipping, and they will send out 5 to 7 full-size products your way. It's a monthly subscription, and yeah, it is another beauty subscription. Check them out. I will link their Instagram and also their website, and it's on the description below, so check them out. Yeah, so another subscription, why not? We love makeup, so check them out. If you guys are loving what you're seeing so far, hopefully you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe before you leave, and please do turn on that notification bell before you guys leave, so you guys don't miss out on any of the unbagging, unboxing, and other videos here on our channel. So if you guys want to see what I have in my Yes Oh Yes bag, and then just keep on watching. I'll be swatching the palette and also the single shadow that's in my bag. So let's go ahead and start with the single shadow. This is from INMOCOSMETICS.com. It says hashtag INMO. This is Go Gaga Velveteen Dream Shadow. I don't think I will be using this shadow today, but this is the shade. I just want to do a simple, cut crease because that's what looks good on my eyes. So this is the shade right here. Let me give it a good swatch. So this is the shade right here. It's really pretty, you guys. See, the shade is really it's really pigmented, it's really bright. So let's move on to the palette. Let me get this to close. We get a lot of palette from IBY Beauty in our bag. This is their Poolside palette. Obviously this is geared towards the summer season because of the packaging, but of course this is not just for summer season. You can definitely use this shade for for other season, but the color definitely screams summer. This is the shade that we are working with this palette. It does come with a mirror. It's a little dirty because I've used it already. So these are the shades in this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. I went from the top, then the middle, and then the bottom. So the top I swatch over here. As you guys can see, they are pigmented, and then we had some right here, you guys. They swatch so good. Now let's go ahead and start. I'm not gonna prolong this video. I want to try a new primer today. Well, this is not really a primer. This is a tattoo shadow. This is from Maybelline. This is their color tattoo. This is in V.I.P. I seen somebody use this as a primer and they worked really good for them, so I want to try it. This is a long-lasting shadow, so I want to give it a try. The first shadow that we're going to use is this one right here. We're just going to use this to set our lid. So we're going to put it all over our lid. And then we're going to take this shade right here. We're going to work that onto our crease. I'm going to take a smaller brush really quick so I can really focus that shade on these first. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here because the lippy that we have in this bag is pink. So I just want to take a little bit of this so we have a hint of pink. The last color that we're going to apply to our crease is this one right here. And then also, before I move on to the next side, I want to go ahead and use this one right here. I know this is a shimmer, but I want to use this to darken up our crease as well. So I'm just going to take this. And also the darker shade that I use, this one right here, it works better when you use your finger. When I was using the brush, it took me a minute to get the pigment that I like, but when I use my finger, it definitely worked better. I'm gonna take another brush. I'm gonna go back to this one right here, and I want to bring back that shade on the top. Now time to cut our crease. You guys know how this go. I'm going to take my lightest concealer. This is the E.L.F 16-hour Camo Concealer. This is light peach. This is the lightest one I have in hand. So I'm going to take this and my concealer brush. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, and we're going to set that concealer. I can definitely go for pink, but we're just going to stick with this one. You know what? I think I'm gonna stop right there, and then we're gonna put the pink. What do you guys think? Let's go ahead and take this one right here, and we're gonna put that on that little space right there. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. Yeah. Guys, I don't think I care for that too much, so we'll just go back to the other one, but I don't know. Let me take this one instead, you guys. This one right here. I think this one gives more. This is where we add with the eyes. It's a little messier than I would like it, but it is what it is. So we are moving on. Already did the base. I've got my foundation. I have my bronzer and my blush. I used the combination of Instant Age Rewind Foundation and also LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. This, you guys, are my go-to right now. I like the mixture of these two. And then for bronzer and blush, I use my Joy Cosmetics Starlit Powder, right? Starlit Palette. This is from Joy Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. It is very used already. Love, 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 love this. And also I use my Airspun powder to set my face. And let's see what else. That's all I have for now because there is a highlighter and this bag. Let's go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I'm going to take the same shadow that we use on top. We like being uniform with the top and the bottom. So we're going to take this shade right here first. And we're just going to dust that along our lash line and then connect it to our top shadow up here. And then as close as I can get to the lash line, I'm going to take this one right here. I'm just going to put a little bit of powder right here. I'm going to take a little bit of this. I want our eyes to have a doll-like effect, so I don't want to use a black or brown liner. So I want to go for more like a nude or maybe white pencil. I don't have neither, so I'll have to resort to a brow highlighter. This is from Sormay. This is a brow lift, a brow highlighting pencil. This is like heading towards more of a white pencil rather than nude. So this is what we're gonna use. I'll probably like go off focus here because I have to look on this side right here, so I'm sorry about that. We'll do the mascara and the lashes at the end. Let's go ahead and move on to the next product. In this bag we have a highlighter. This is from Luna by Luna Cosmetics. This is Crescent. This is a baked highlighter and this is the shade. So let's see. Ooh, I can also use this to really highlight our shadows right here. That would give me that really, really highlighted effect right there that I like to do all the time. So this is what this highlighter looks like. So let's go ahead and apply this to our cheeks. Before that though, I'm going to go ahead and use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Prep Set and Refresh Water. also going to take that and use it for our inner corner highlight because it's just too good to not use on the inner as well. The lashes are on, you guys. Love these lashes. Yes, you guessed it. This is the legendary lashes from INMOCOSMETICS. If you guys are loving these lashes, I'm sure you love these lashes because I've thrown these lashes in your face so many times. If you guys are interested, there's gonna be a code for you guys if you want to purchase this. In this month's bag, we do have a gloss. I thought this was a liquid lipstick because look at it. It looks like liquid lipstick, but it is a gloss. And this is such a pretty gloss. Let me swatch this for you. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a lip pencil first all over the lips, and then we're gonna put this on top. I'm gonna use this. This is from E.L.F. This is in Media. This shade right here. This is the exact same shade, so I don't really wanna change the color too much, but I just want to put something, you know, underneath so our lips is not too opaque, right? That's the word for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my lips, and then I'll be back. We'll use the lip gloss and we'll be done with this look. So let's go ahead and take this lip gloss, and I'm just gonna douse my lips with this. So it feels really good on the lips. It's very lightweight. It's not sticky at all. It doesn't stick on your lips. You know how some lip gloss, when you press your lips, it kind of just gets stuck. It doesn't give you that, and it is tinted lip gloss, so it gives you that pink tint. So if you're really into a pink lip gloss, then this is for you. Yeah, so this is in the shade Rose Petal, and this has 1 ounce, right? Yes, I need magnifying glass. The packaging is really cute. So this is the complete look, you guys. This is what we created with the products in our Yes Oh Yes bag this month. What do you guys think? I love all my subscription. Of course, there are products that are better than others, but nonetheless, I love all my subscription box bag. Of course, I want to know what you think. I don't hear a lot about the subscription, so let me know what you think. If you are interested in this company, if you heard about them, if you subscribe to them, if you were subscribed to them, let me know. Let me know which product you'd like to try. My favorite this month is the highlighter because it is giving me light. I mean, literally, it's giving me light. I'm like very highlighted. So this is my favorite for sure. You can definitely use this as a shadow as well, not just a highlighter. You can use this on the eyes. You can use it as a highlighter for sure, you guys. So the palette is really good as well. It definitely performed better the second time around. Yeah, definitely, because the first time it just didn't do it for me. I don't know what it was. Maybe it's the shadows that I used the first time. It just didn't do it for me, but the second time around it was okay. I used a better IBY palette before. Just this one is just not my favorite, I would say that, but it's still, we still created a great look with this palette, so I really like that. And the lip gloss, I mean, you can't go wrong with lip gloss. Let's see, what else did we get? The blue shadow. Sadly, I didn't get to use it, but I mean, the pigment is there. It's such a great color. I'm sure I'll get a use out of this. I don't think I've done many blue looks here on my channel or on my Instagram. I'm sure I'll get to it. Let's see, what else did we get this month? I think that's it, right? Let me know what you guys think about this subscription. Let me know what you think about the look that I have on. Just let me know. And everything that I have on my face is going to be in the description below. If you guys have any question, comment, concern, let me know in a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Do you have any suggestions for videos, or just let me know how I'm doing. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.